Search engine optimization, or SEO. What is SEO? SEO is a set of practices in web development that ensure the website's organic rank is high when searched with keywords in a search engine. When searching on Google, keywords are the words that are entered for the search. The result is a mix of paid results that have ad next to them and organic results. Studies have shown that the organic results are more likely to result in clicks from the person searching. When comparing search engine use, 2020 research has shown that Google comprises over 90% of the market. Bing is a Microsoft product, and most people have heard of Yahoo. Because Google is so dominant, SEO tends to be built around Google's search engine. Google has a system called TrustRank. TrustRank is an algorithm that Google uses to rank the relative value of a website. The higher the value, the higher the website will show up during a keyword search. It's assumed by SEO experts that TrustRank is based on these factors in order of importance. First, the TrustRank level of external websites that have links to your site. Second, the freshness of the content. Third, the related keyword competition and volume. And fourth, the age of new sites. We'll talk about each of these four factors. The most important factor is external site linking. Assume that site B has a very high trust rank. Sites with high volumes of traffic, like ESPN or the Washington Post. If these sites have links to your site will automatically rise in trust rank. Here's an example from the New York Times, where an article has links based on the reporting within the article. Penguin Random House will benefit from the link in this article because the New York Times has such a high trust rank factor. Social media can be very useful. Links from Facebook from heavily viewed pages will raise trust rank. That brings us to fresh content, the second most important factor in trust rank. Google will track sites for new content, and that will play into its trust rank factor. Our old graphic communications site was very static, as you can see on the left. The new site has a lot of dynamic content. For example, a calendar that's continually updated, news that's regularly updated, and photos that can be regularly updated as well. The site on the right will naturally grow in trust rank, and the site on the left will not. Trust rank factor keywords. Google relates a search term to your site via keywords. Google finds these keywords in a variety of places on your site. For example, the domain name itself, also page names, and metadata in the header. Metadata in the header refers to the HTML head and the meta name tag, which includes keywords. Then the page content itself, including image alt tags. Another important thing to know is keyword conventions. Studies have shown that 2 or 3 word searches are the most common. And so predicting those keyword or phrases and incorporating them into your site can increase your trust rank. So how does one know which keyword phrases are best for their particular site? Google has some tools called Keyword Planner that will help website developers find the best keywords. I've linked to the Keyword Planner. In order to get here, I had to create an account with Google Ads. I'm going to click on Discover New Keywords. I'm going to put in graphic communications, and then I'm going to click Get Results. What this shows is that the average monthly searches for the term for the phrase graphic communications is between 1,000 and 10,000, and that the competition, that is the number of sites that have graphic communications as part of their keywords, is low. What we're looking for are terms that have high monthly search value and low competition. So continuing, let's try graphic design. You can see that the average monthly searches is between 100,000 and 1 million, and that the competition is low. So while our site is about graphic communications, it would be well to build graphic design into the site, either into a header, metadata, phrase on a page, or something, even though our site is about graphic communications. In WordPress, We want to assure that our URLs appear to Google as names and phrases. That's done under what's called the permalink settings, where we'll want to set permalinks to post name so that they don't show up as coded numbers. The last factor that affects trust rank is the age of the site, referred to as holdback. Brand new sites tend not to appear in searches. It takes a little bit of time. Nobody really knows exactly how much, but generally, within a couple months, sites can begin to show up in searches, so long as they have good optimization factors.